Dr. Dinning, thanks for having us in today, and thanks for being part of the Waterlase family. I think you were telling me earlier that you've had the laser for getting close to 20 years.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to practice without it. When I sold my practice, it's the only thing I said was coming with me for sure was my Waterlase. I use it every day for various things, and especially for this that we did today for these class 5s. Yeah, I think it's the only way to go for this kind of thing.
Good luck in your practice now in Nashville, coming from California. So wish you nothing but the best, and let us know how we can help.
Oh, I will.
Okay, thanks again.
There's 2 fillings that need to be done.